Our health starts at the DNA level. The DNA is inside the chromosome. The focus now is in the DNA. The chromosome is inside the nucleus of every cell. The cell is inside the tissue of every organ. And the organ is a part of a particular system. There are 11 systems in the human body. I have just described the molecular foundation of our life, which is at the DNA level. This is the reason why we say that our life and health start and end at the DNA level. DNA stands for deoxyribonucleic acid. DNA contains the blueprint for our life to grow and function. Inside the DNA are the nitrogen bases that are in pairs. Guanine is paired with cytosine. Thymine paired with adenine. These nitrogen bases mentioned would form the nucleotide DNA. For the nucleotide RNA, it would be uracil instead of thymine. We both need the DNA and RNA. When there is a lack of nucleotides in DNA or RNA, there will be genomic instability. Genomic instability can lead to serious body health problems. Therefore, a constant supply is needed. The good news, we have a functional food supplement, known as ImuRegen, that contains nucleotides, essential amino acids, and peptides. These ingredients, when combined, support DNA and RNA health. Therefore, I take my ImuRegen every day. ImuRegen together with a healthy lifestyle is my formula. Get in touch with the person who shared this presentation. Visit this site https://flife.com for more information on DNA health. Visit this website, https://humangwellness.com.